So one thing which I do every day to check whether my lungs are strong or not, whether I am infected by some respiratory syndrome. So if any virus or bacteria would attack my respiration system, my capacity to hold my breath will go down. So what I do every morning and evening is, like, couple of times I will inhale and exhale heavily like this. Inhale and exhale, and then close one nostril, inhale from the other nostril and then hold. So close both the nostrils and then hold, and use your mobile or any stopwatch to immediately check what is your capacity every day, how much time you can hold your breath. So it should keep on increasing every day. So today if it is 40 seconds, tomorrow it should be 40 or 41 or 42. It should not fall suddenly to 30. So every day, every morning, evening, you keep on checking like this. This has two benefits. One is that your capacity to inhale and then hold will increase the lungs strength. Your lungs muscle will become very strong. Your immunity will go on increasing every day. And secondly, you will, if it suddenly drops, you will come to know that some kind of virus or bacteria has attacked my respiratory system, and then go to the next level and check with the doctors.
So our ability to hold air inside our lungs comes down significantly. We feel restless, we feel breathless, and symptoms like headache, fever, nausea, all of this can also occur in some people. So there is a process which is called as alveoli inside our lungs. This alveoli is responsible to take oxygen inside and release carbon dioxide outside. So the virus will directly attack this process, and the alveoli they get inflamed, and blood clots are formed inside our lungs, and the lungs get filled with liquids, and this process can be easily detected in X-ray.
Go to any radiologist or hospital, get an X-ray done. Go on portal.aacovidtest.com, upload your X-ray, and over there it will show you negative, or if there is any chance of any bacteria, virus in your lungs. And based on that, our radiologist will guide you, our doctors will guide you, and you can take the next course of action. So please keep on doing yoga and pranayam every day.
If you are experiencing extreme difficulty in breathing, and if you have temperature, then it is advisable to go to your nearest hospital and get yourself tested.
Make sure you sit on the floor, because if there is already some virus or bacteria in your lungs, your capacity will come down significantly. So you may feel nausea, you may not feel comfortable to stand. So always do this while seated only, and do not hold your breath for more than 5 minutes. Thank you very much.